Hi there guys, in this little short video I'm going to show you how you can use an Ilford film retriever, which looks like this, which has got a couple of little what look like thick film pieces with the perforations in, and it's in a little plastic case which slides like so. And I'm going to show you how you can use one of these to retrieve film from a canister. This is a particularly useful little device. You can buy, I'll just mention, you can buy a little sort of pop top can opener that you can pop the tops of your film canisters open with and just extract the whole drum. That's great if you're going to dispose of them. If you have a film camera, however, that uses DX coding and you want to load your own film, you will need film canisters either with a DX coding ID like this one, or you will have to buy DX coding stickers to stick on your reloadable film canisters. So one of the things I used to do when I shot a lot of black and white film, and I had a couple of cameras with DX coding, which incidentally is the worst invention ever for film cameras. Technology thinking it was doing a great thing, it was actually being a pain in the backside. DX coding essentially means that the camera looks at your film canister and says, this is an ISO 200 film, I will set the camera to ISO 200, and that is it. You have no choice in the matter, you physically cannot change that. So if you want to shoot at a higher ISO and push process in developing, you can't do that. Personally I hate it, but some cameras have it, and I have used some cameras that have had it. So it's one of those things, but it's handy to know how to use one of these. So what you do first of all is feed your two strips through the felt into your film case like so. Push the top one all the way up while you're holding that so that it looks like this, and then if you rotate your film canister until you hear a click, that's the film slipping off. Move your bottom one up. Now this should actually move it underneath that film, and then if you pull that out, it should in theory pull the film out, which it didn't do. We're going to try that again. And there you go. So, and then you can then draw the film out. Obviously you don't want to do that if it's a film that you don't want to expose, but as you can see you can draw the film out, use this to feed onto your developing drum, and then when you get to the end, what you can do if you're going to reload this cassette is snip off, leaving about an inch of film at the end there, which should be unexposed anyway, so you're not going to be, shouldn't be chopping half a frame off or anything. And then when you reload your film, you can tape your new piece of film onto this using a bit of scotch tape or similar, and then wind it in. Obviously this is something that you would do in the dark or in a bulk loading drum. So hopefully you found that useful. That is an Ilford film retriever. The instructions on the back of it there, and it looks like that. Thank you for watching, we'll catch you in the next video. Okay, we'll try that one more time. Oh, it's not behaving.